Please be seated. Prynhawn da, everyone. A croeso I Gaerdydd. Good afternoon. Welcome to Cardiff and to your 2026 graduation ceremony. Laura Trevelyan ydw I, Canhethlo, Prifysgol, Caerdydd. My name is Laura Trevelyan and I have the great privilege of being the Chancellor of Cardiff University. I would like to start by saying to our anhygoel, that's Welsh for exceptional, class of 2026, congratulations. Llongyfarchiadau! We're going to be doing that a lot and making an awful lot of noise for you on this special day. I was a postgraduate journalism student here at Cardiff back in 1990, and Cardiff University gave me a career, a husband, and lifelong friends and colleagues. I couldn't be more grateful to Cardiff for everything it's given me, and I hope the university is going to underpin your lives in the same way it has mine. Today we're celebrating the achievements of students in two of our schools, Healthcare Sciences and Dentistry. Those in our School of Healthcare Sciences have developed the skills and, most importantly, the compassion to bring about change in healthcare, and you're equipped to join an inspirational workforce. The learning journey for students in our School of Dentistry has been shaped around the goal of improving the future of dental care. You've developed the academic and practical skills to help shape oral health for future generations. Your Cardiff qualification tells the world that you're ambitious, passionate, and you have a brilliant mind. Please embark on the next stage of your journey with all of the confidence that should bring. Thank you for everything you've brought to your school and to your university. We're all very proud of you. Right now, you're in this liminal state, but when you cross this stage and get to the other end, you'll be a Cardiff graduate. Cardiff will always be here for you. Please be ambassadors for your university, for our values and our motto. You can see our motto behind us. In Welsh, it's Gwirionedd, Undod a Chydgod. Truth, unity, harmony. May you embody those values as Cardiff graduates. For now, though, sit back, enjoy the ceremony, and cherish this moment. For friends and family of the class of 2026, I know this is a proud day for you, and when your loved one crosses the stage, please raise the roof, make as much noise as you can. We can't wait to hear you. Today is a day to celebrate. Mae'n bleser gennyf gyflwyno Owain Siôn. I now have the pleasure of introducing Owain Siôn. Owain will read the proclamation and a poem by Wales's inaugural national poet, Gwyneth Lewis. Gwyneth has been writer-in-residence at the University School of Physics and Astronomy and is now an honorary fellow. Her poem Education was specially commissioned by Cardiff University. Owain.
Education by Gwyneth Lewis. Beiddia feiddio, gwellhad wneud, myna geisio, parcha ddweud. Trawsnewidiad fydd dy glod, dy ddyfodol, mentro bod. Learning's a passport that turns you home a better person. It permits you to dare being daring, makes you secure with not knowing everything, helps you welcome some failure, forges an alloy with others' thinking. It is simple delight in mind and its motions. Scintillates, but isn't deceptive. Admits the joy of institutes is the open road to everywhere but bigotry. It's the shortest distance between you and me, and if you're lucky, it never ends. Byddaf nawr yn darllen y proclamasiwn yn gyntaf yn y Gymraeg ac yna'n Saesneg. I will now read the proclamation, first in Welsh and then in English. Nerth gwlad ei gwybodau. Bydd y dwybod i holl aelodau'r Brifysgol ac ar draws y byd bod cynulliad Prifysgol Caerdydd yn cael ei gynnal heddiw ym Mhrifddinas Cymru. O dan awdurdod Siarter Frenhinol y Brifysgol, mae'r cynulliad hwn yn cyfarfod i dderbyn y myfyrwyr hynny sydd yn rhinwedd eu hastudiaethau a'i hysgol heictod wedi harchwilio'n briodol yn ôl statudau'r Brifysgol ac wedi cael yn deilwng o'i graddau. Dathlwn lwyddiant y rhai sy'n graddio yn y cynulliad hwn ac, wrth wneud hynny, fe'i hatgoffwn o'i cyfrifoldeb i rannu gwerthoedd y Brifysgol hon. Hwy sydd i geisio, trwy cyflawniadau, gwasanaethu lles pawb, ymdrechu am ragoriaeth ym mhob peth, a gofalu am ddyfodol ein byd. Parchwch ddoethineb gan ei fod yn cynnig gobaith a gwirionedd ym mhob cenhedlaeth. A nation's strength is in its learning. Let it be known to all members of the university and throughout the world that today in the capital city of Wales, a congregation of Cardiff University is taking place. Under the authority of the university's Royal Charter, this congregation meets to receive those students who, by virtue of their studies and scholarship, have been appropriately examined according to the statutes of the university and found worthy of their degrees. We celebrate the success of those who graduate in this congregation, and in doing so, remind them of their responsibility to share in the values of this university. It is for them to seek, through their achievements, to serve the common good, to strive for excellence on all things, and care for the future of our world. Be attentive to wisdom, for it offers hope and truth in every generation. Llongyfarchiadau mawr i chi gyd. Congratulations.
Hello, Shemai. I am Joshua Tandy. I was your Vice President of Heath Park Campus at Cardiff Students' Union this past year and the SU President for the year upcoming. Congratulations, Llongyfarchiadau. It is such a privilege to be standing here today, celebrating not only your academic achievements, but also the incredible community that you have built along the way. Whether you found your place through a job, a club, a society, or your course, these are the friendships that will stay with you for the years to come. Now, we know that it hasn't been easy to get here. Each of you has faced challenges and overcome obstacles to reach this moment. But you made it, and that is something to be truly proud of. Today is about celebrating every individual journey that brought you here. Now, as you look back at your time at Cardiff, I hope that you do so with a strong sense of belonging and pride. For many of you, this was your first time moving away from home, whether from just down the road in Pontypridd, a little further afield from Portsmouth, or perhaps even overseas in Peru. Wherever you came from, Cardiff has become a part of your story, and no matter where life takes you next, you will always have a home here. But you're not leaving Cardiff with just a degree. You're leaving with the life experiences, opportunities, and the memories that you've built here that will last you a lifetime. Whether it was pulling the all-nighters in the ASSL before that deadline, or the late-night YOLOs, or perhaps just the quiet walk with coffee in Butte Park, you made it through. Now, you may or you may not know exactly what you're doing next, but as you do step into that next chapter, whatever it may be, carry with you the resilience that you developed and the memories that you've cherished. Face the future with confidence, knowing that you are equipped to tackle whatever comes your way. For many of you, today marks the end of an era and the beginning of the next chapter of your life. And we wish you all the very best. May your care ever be for the good name of our university and the well-being of our world. Llongyfarchiadau, congratulations, class of 2026.
Prynhawn da, good afternoon. Ethro Wendy Lana dwi is going Hethlo, Prifysgol Caerdydd. I'm Professor Wendy Lana. I have the enormous privilege of being the Vice-Chancellor of Cardiff University. My job here this afternoon is to warmly welcome all the students to receive their awards. This is the part of the ceremony that you've been waiting for, where the students' names will be read out by a senior member of the university. Please do celebrate. Celebrate the achievements of our students as they cross the stage by clapping, by cheering, perhaps even with a little whooping. Once all the students for each award have crossed the stage and returned to their seats, they will be asked to stand. It is our tradition for me to speak in Welsh to receive each group of graduates to their awards. The Welsh phrase I will use when translated means, through the authority conferred upon me by the university, I receive you to your award with all the privileges this confers. Congratulations. Twy'r adurdod a raddwyd y mi gen y brifysgol. Dyfaniach chi y gael ec dyfaniad a hol ffrentiau a ddaw en ysgol llongyffaciadau. I now introduce Professor Phil Stevens, Deputy Head of the School of Dentistry, who will present the students for their awards.
I, Professor Phil Stevens, introduce those who have received the Diploma of Higher Education. Labiba Abida. Advika Adanki. Alhanse Ahmed. Hannah Grace Brownson. Emily Laura Franks. Kirsten Leonie Douland. Marissa Licata. Amy Lloyd. Ed Moulton. Jesse Raymond. Taylor Rogers. Olivia Katie Kalo Stubbs. I, Professor Phil Stevens, introduce those who have received the degree of Bachelor of Science. Yasmin Al-Bolgasemi Malakabadi. Stephanie Agnew. Jennifer Aldrich. Nicola Barber. Eleanor Besant. Molly Dack. Ellie Lauren Evans. Simra Khan. Rona Francis King. Hannah Morgan. Katie Reeves, or Kate Reeves. Laura Stevenson. Daniel Adam Walker. Ellie Georgia Wilson. I, Professor Phil Stevens, introduce those who receive the degree of Bachelor of Dental Surgery. Mariam Abina. Sayan Ahmed. Fatma Al-Awadi. Dina Al-Dubaisi. Haja Al-Shakachi. Hafsa Ahmed. Yusuf Akram Anjan. Nurman Arif. Darcy Arnold Dewitt. Natasha Zainab Aslan. Simran Basi. Sumet Bathal. William Morgan Burt. Corey Blackwood. Oliver Brooks. Zoe Brown. Gahid Chalou. Molly Clemens. Rihanna Kolkus. Michelle Angelina Koskignano. Larry Rose Davis. Rashika Desai. Non Ellis. Ede Erdem. Kanatoa Eze Uzumaka. Fiona Fu. Giselle Catherine George. Rosie Hall. Matthew Handley. Umar Hassan. Farah Hassan. Ophelia May Heather. Yistin Leah Hopkins. Faizar Hussain. Fionn Howells. Zaira Hussain. Ali Akida. Asanul Islam. Himani Jani. Hannah Jones. Jasleen Kelsey. Sean Kelsey. Gayatri Cannon. Mandy Kaur. Dasia Khaled. Sheila Khan. Zainab Fatima Khan. Mohammed Adil Afif Katab Messiah. Marie Pullman. Sarah Faisal Lalani. And Howard Larkin. Maria Lotus. Hannah Aleri Loudon. Ria Marley. Tamara Meshin. Iman Mirza. Karine Mokas Beck. Olivia Moran. Sarah Nomani. Esther Faith Potts. Nirajika Rajaswaran. Dahlia Rashad. Lydia Rees. Rohan Singh Thakur. Nandika Devi Teluk. Harleen Kerr Bandy. Samuel John Tia. Arjang Singh Udi. Francesca Watson. Hannah Lily Watts. Shoned Williams. Rosie Yeoman. Anastasia Zakarati. Robert Zubair.
I, Professor Kate Button, introduce those who have received the Certificate of Higher Education. Alfia Serge. I, Professor Kate Button, introduce those who have received the Diploma of Higher Education. Claire Moorcroft Fowler. I, Professor Kate Button, introduce those who have received the degree of Bachelor of Midwifery. Holly Louise Adams. Nia Aleri Andrews. Betty Mary Arnold. Seren Margaret Barry. Rachel Amy Blackman. Shauna Elizabeth Boyle. Elizabeth Louise Bull. Rachel Louise Butler. Fleur Keel. Suzanne Dando. Ellen May Doherty. Donna Marie Claire Foland. Amber Katia Gorshoff. Abigail Mary Ellen Hadley. Charlotte Hammond. Mally Maria Hanford. Elizabeth Hart. Georgia Harvey. Jessica Hawkins. Lily Hughes. Michaela Leishon. Kaylee McCarty. Zoe Mead. Abby Morrow. Amelia Rees. Bethan Reynolds. Poppy Grace Richards. Maura Roche. Alicia Shima Ruparel. Paige Danielle Simmons. Lowry Skenkens. Hadil Kamel Stevens, Ellen Swallow, Emily Thomas, Shannon Lee Trott, Rio Roxanne Mary Jane Pamela West, Grace Jane Williams, Alicia Charity May Woods, Lishi Nathania Woodstock, Jessica Charlotte Louise Woodward, I, Professor Kate Button, introduce those who have received the degree of Bachelor of Nursing. Omawaiwan Mary Amakpavoya, Ronald Vincent Angulo, Rachel Kelly Arthur, Holly Elizabeth Atherton, Megan Paris Baker, Rachel Bell, Antonia Sarah Bennett, Chloe Ann Bennett, Maria Benny, Ella Ann Beersford, Varsha Bijou, Carly Ann Blackhouse, Eleanor Page Borley, Pia Sophia Louisa Bosisto, Noah Michael Bowden, Matthew Brand, Isabel Brigginshaw, Molly Bromwich, Honey Brooks, Millie Brown, Emily Sylvia Buck, Ellen Burnett, Isabel Freya Burns, Layla Margaret Lorraine Cahill Harris, Chloe Rhian Lee Casa, Kate B. Ella Catala, Shannon Jade Chittenden, Shemaine Ingram Clark, Jessica Grace Clark, Lauren Megan Hodd, Ellie Colley, Florence Cook, Paige Marie Cooper, Jessica Sarah Cutler, Caitlin Marie David, Lindsay Davies, Mary Davis, Olivia Davies, Jennifer Joy Dean, Lily Maglona Dermot, Rachel Dajul Dulva, Rebecca Duggan, Grace East, Annalise Huff Evans, Maisie Dress, Kellen Faulkner, Maricel Fernandez, Rainey Fernando, Emma Ferry, Abigail Fisher, Chaucer Flanders, Nicola Flynn, Thomas James Ford, Alice Forrester, Isabel Fry, Melissa Furtado, Tammy Gardner, Kelsey Rees-Goodwin, Deborah Gore, Emma Louise Greenway, Esme Marie Griffith, Abby Hall, Alna Samantha Harris, Faye Harvey, Peppy Harvey, Coffee Horton, Nadine Higgins, Shakuri Page Hodder, Rachel Holroyd, Isabel Howard, Rebecca Howes, Evie Hudson, Genevieve Jacklin, Safa Javad, Olivia Jenkins, Keegan Kurt Johnsey, Amy Louise Johnston, Rebecca Jackie Jones, Soyachi Ju Jagjali, Freya May Jutes, Sandeep Kaur, Nia Adele Kairin, Rabia Kaur, Naomi Cecilia King, Rihanna Kinsey Jones, Chloe Knott, Veronica Kaulasik, Erin Lacey, Tony Helena Lacey, Ellen Lee, Enley Lee, Deb Lewis, Sheena May Mabalot, Kelsey MacLeod Needs, Maisha Maroof, Isabel Lily Mason, Paulina Marie Santino Matheson, Alice Mead, Inam Mohammed, Rennie Mora Sanchez, Caitlin Lily Morris, Laura Hannah Munnelly, Georgiou Murray, Prosy Nabosa, Bethan Najjar, Nikita Lee Francis Newell, Jessica Noble, Imogen Hannah Noel, Emily O'Brien, Finn O'Brien, Sophie O'Cock, Megan O'Connell, Rachel Marie O'Heen Ajay, Tijiri Obara Omuvi, Shawnee O'Neill, Sylvan O'Rowan, Katrin Palmer, Ashley Payne, Connie Perkins, Katie Phelps, Ella Phillips, Gracie Pick, Leanne Powditch, Ruby Eva Powell, Fionn Price, Sarah Not Sarah, Price, Maisie Eve Quigley Dalvey, Samira Dalmar Rage, Mashumi Razaki, Ellie Jean Reeves Williams, Aksa Raymond, Ajahn Nath, Naomi Reynolds, Rita Scarlett Richardson, Georgie Marie Rideout, Rhianne Robinson, Ruby Agnes Stone Robinson, Angie Romanio, Gabrielle Grace Roman. Maddie Rupert. Phoebe Rush. Lucy Emily Rushton. Caniel del Rosario Sanchez. Alicia Showcheck. Bronwyn Smith Howell. Rebecca Lily Spencer. Emily Louise Spillett. Alicia Louise Squirrel. Cleo Story. Gabrielle Sully. Valeria Talpa. Valeria Talpa. Ella Tatum. Isabella Taylor. Millie Taylor. Erika Bueno Tesoro. Keris Thomas. Honeybell Thompson. Isabella Tilstone Davis. Jasmine Angela Tolentino. Laura Rebecca Jane Tolton. Cherubin Jifa Jasupa. Molly May Tyler. Laura Virgin. Beth Alison Weaver. Joanne Monjique Waymer. Marvin West. Bethan Wetton. Emily Whittle. Megan Wigley. Abby Williams. Bethan Williams. Courtney Williams. Lauren Williams. Mia Louise Williams. Rhiannon Willis. Elizabeth Grace Wilson. Sophie Emma Woods. Lily Yates. Mina Nayu. I, Professor Kate Button, introduce those who have received the degree of Bachelor of Science. Annie Alice Pearson. Emma Sykes. The Vice-Chancellor will now confer the award.
Would all the students who have just crossed the stage please stand if you are able to. Toir adurdod a raddwyd y mi gen y brifysgol, dyfaniach chi a gael eich dyfaniad a holffrentiau a ddaw yn ysgael, llongyffaciadau. Please be seated.
I, Professor Kerry Hood, introduce those who have received the postgraduate certificate. Leonora Mercado Aldovino. Chris Burrows. Jessica Louise G. Katie Hellings. Sophie May Lewis. Nokatula Mahebna. Erica Surrey. I, Professor Kerry Hood, introduce those who have received the postgraduate diploma. David Ballinger. Sadia Begum. Lauren Davis. Lisa Jenkins. Rebecca Loynes. Samantha Louise Marden. Fauzia Mia. Jade Marie Rowland. Bethan Travers. Kelly Webster. Samantha Lucy Whittington. I, Professor Kerry Hood, introduce those who have received the degree of Master of Clinical Dentistry. Aisha Mohammed Ashokri. Sasha Gracias. Kaula Hassan. Haris Iftikhar. Eshvin Singh. I, Professor Kerry Hood, introduce those who have received the degree of Master of Science. Naba Al-Duri. Sarah Arundel. Rachel Banks. Isabel Barrero Nieto. Melissa Blow. Emily Jane Bubia. Mohammed Chakru. Rebecca Cordell Smith. John Davis. Alice Gower. Claire Greenstreet. Claire Griffiths. Sarah Jane Griffiths. Rezaul Haq. Natalie Elizabeth Hughes. Danielle Elizabeth Jenkins. Lucy Hanson Clark. Anish John. Kerry Johnson. Sarah Jones. Mashal Junyad. Stefania Kumi. Johanna Lee. Kerry Lane. Zoe Lawrence. Philippa Alexandra Lee. Catherine Lee. Luke Joseph Lukins. Amber Mays. Julian Lloyd Mogg. Hannah Navrocky. Anne-Marie Newbury. Claire Noble. Kath Owen. Sarah Rees. Rajimol Sibishen. Alexandra Elizabeth Skinner. Katrina Spielman. Anisha Suji. Emma Jane Thomas. Rhiannon Thomas. Lindsay Thompson. Laura Truscott Wright. Dimitri Valiantina. Stephanie Lee Williams. The Vice-Chancellor will now confer the award.
Would all the students who have just crossed the stage please stand if you're able to. Twy'r dyrod a raddwyd y mi gen y brifysgol. Dybannech chi a gael eich dyfaniad a holffrentiau y ddaw yn ysgol. Llong y paciadau. Please be seated.
The following students to be presented have achieved a doctoral degree, and in recognition of their achievements and research, they will be presented to the presiding officers who will doff in return. I, Professor Kerry Hood, introduce those who have received the degree of Doctor of Philosophy. Dr. Abdullah Ali Abarak. Dr. Tafaha Awad. Dr. Lujain Dribikna. Dr. Catherine Smith. The Vice-Chancellor will now confer the award.
Will all the students who have just crossed the stage please stand if you are able. Twy ar y dyrod a raddwyd y mi gen y brifysgol. Dybannech chi a gael eich dyfaniad a holffrentiau y ddaw yn ysgol. Llong y paciadau. Please be seated.
Could all those students that have studied an undergraduate diploma or degree please stand, if you are able, for the reading of the oath.
I will now declare the oath, first in Welsh and then in English, and then I will ask you to agree to the terms of the oath. A ddawaf mae fy mlaenoriaeth gyntaf fydd gofalu am fy ngleifion. Byddaf yn garedig gyda phob claf ac yn ymdrechaf i gyfathrebu yn effeithlon gyda nhw. Byddaf yn parchu urddas a'u preifatrwydd a'i hawl i gyfrannu'n llawn at benderfyniadau ynglŷn â'i gofal. Byddaf yn onest ac yn ddibynadwy bob amser ac yn parchu a diogelu gwybodaeth gyfrinachol. Ni fydd fy ngredwau personol yn amharu ar ofal fy ngleifion. Trwy gydnabod cyfyngiadau fy ngymwysedd, byddaf bob amser yn diweddaru fy ngwybodaeth am sgiliau proffesiynol. Os bydd gennyf reswm dau gredu nad wyf i neu gydweithwyr yn addas i weithio, byddaf yn gweithredu'n gyflym a diogelu cleifion rhag perygl. Ni fyddaf yn camdefnyddio fy sefyllfa proffesiynol a byddaf yn gweithio gyda chydweithwyr yn y ffordd orau er lles y cleifion. Yn yr holl faterion hyn, ni fyddaf byth yn gwahaniaethu'n anheg yn erbyn fy ngleifion nam cydweithwyr a byddaf yn barod i gyfiawnhau fy ngweithredoedd iddynt ym mob achos. Roddaf yr addewid yma ar fy llw yn wirfoddol ac o ddifrif. Os ydych yn cytuno â thelerau'r llw, dywedwch y dwyf. I promise that I will make the care of my patients my first concern. I will be considerate to all my patients and will strive to communicate effectively with them. I will respect my patients' dignity and autonomy and their right to be fully involved in decisions about their care. At all at all times, I will be honest and trustworthy, respecting and protecting confidential information. My personal beliefs will not prejudice my care of my patients. Recognising the limits of my competence, I will keep my professional knowledge and skills up to date. If I believe that I or a colleague may not be fit to practice, I will act quickly to protect patients from risk. I will not abuse my professional position and will work with colleagues in the ways that best serve my patients. I will never discriminate unfairly against patients or colleagues, and I will always be prepared to justify my actions to them. I make this promise solemnly, freely, and upon my honour. If you agree to the terms of the oath, say I do. Diolch.
Please be seated.
Good afternoon, everyone. TJ Rawlinson Adui. I'm TJ Rawlinson. I'm the university's Director of Development and Alumni Relations, and this part of the ceremony celebrates distinguished people for outstanding contributions within their field and to society, to Cardiff, to Wales, and the world. Today, we recognize Agnes Xavier Phillips with the award of an honorary fellowship. Her success is part of your day's success. Dimaguvli, inodi ein hedmagedd, ein bochder, ond diolch wrth gyflwyno, cymrodoriaddau a graddau anrhydedd. Agnes never shrinks from opportunity. Over a remarkable career, she has excelled as a teacher, nurse, midwife, and lawyer, certainly not a traditional career path. Each distinct chapter of her life has been undertaken with fierce dedication, and she's seamlessly paved the way for the next chapter each time. It was here at our university that Agnes nurtured her ambitions to qualify as a lawyer. Since graduating, her distinguished career has spanned private and in-house practice, specializing in financial services. She has held prestigious corporate legal roles, serving as senior legal counsel for NatWest, head of legal for Abbey National, and as general counsel for GE Capital. Her leadership extends far beyond the corporate boardroom. In 2018, Agnes was appointed a Justice of the Peace, and in 2019, commissioned as a Deputy Lieutenant of Gwent. Her impact on public life has been recognized with the South Glamorgan High Sheriff's Award, the 2025 Lifetime Achievement Award, and election as a Fellow of the Learned Society of Wales. Today, Agnes generously channels her expertise into the voluntary sector. She champions Welsh talent and supports various charities, such as Cardiff University's own Students' Union. She operates by a powerful maxim: you are what you are because of the choices you make in life. Pardon me. Agnes refuses merely to attach her name to a cause. She commits only where she can actively make a difference. To our graduating cohort, Agnes provides a masterclass in choosing a path with courage, conviction, and versatility. And I will now present this distinguished individual and friend to Cardiff University, who is to be awarded an honorary fellowship of Cardiff University. Stay here. Just wait. Wait. You stay here. We'll go together. Is gan chalor, cyflwynaf I chi rhai sydd i'w derben yn gymrwyder anrhydedd Prifysgol Caerdydd. Vice Chancellor, I present to you Agnes Xavier Phillips to be accepted as an honorary fellow of Cardiff University.
Toi ar dydod a raddwyd o mi gen y Cangor. Dybanu a chi fel Cymrawd Henredith Prifysgol Caerdydd.
Good afternoon, Prynhawn, Chancellor, Vice-Chancellor, distinguished guests, and most importantly, the graduating class. Thank you for this incredible honor. Returning to Cardiff University, the exact institution that nurtured my ambitions and set me on the path to qualifying as a lawyer, fills me with immense pride. To receive this honorary fellowship today is deeply humbling. Of course, no one achieves anything alone. I'm profoundly grateful to my wonderful late parents, whose foundational support made everything possible, and to my husband, Nigel, the reason why Wales is my home. And it has been a path of twists and turns. As you've heard, my career has been, shall we say, slightly eclectic. I have been a teacher, a midwife, a nurse, and a corporate lawyer. I'm reasonably confident I'm the only solicitor in the room today who has been present at approximately 60 successfully delivered babies. I must admit, managing high-stakes financial legalities at NatWest, Abbey National, and GE Capital was complex, but it was certainly a very different environment to the classroom, hospital ward, and a different kind of labor. Each of these chapters taught me that versatility is a superpower. I want to extend my warmest congratulations to all of you graduating today. Your degree is not just a capstone of your past efforts. It is a launch pad for the future. The world is evolving at a staggering pace, and your education has equipped you with the tools to adapt, innovate, and lead. Do not be afraid to challenge the status quo, and never underestimate the impact of your individual contributions. To stand here today, receiving this recognition from an institution that champions excellence and social mobility is incredibly rewarding. Thank you once again for this tremendous honor. I look forward to supporting Cardiff University as it continues to inspire future generations. Congratulations again to the class of 2026. I wish you all the very best in your future endeavors. Thank you.
Thank you, Agnes. Thank you, Agnes, and congratulations on becoming an honorary fellow, and congratulations to your wonderful and well-dressed husband, Nigel. And thank you for telling us or reminding us, Agnes, that versatility is a superpower and that you graduates should never be afraid to challenge the status quo. Well, it's my great pleasure to deliver the closing remarks of your graduation ceremony. Longyfarchiadau, dy hun ran o gymuned cyn fyfewyr Prifysgol Caerdydd. Congratulations, you are now part of the Cardiff University alumni community. Cardiff alumni stand out. Just look at Agnes. You will find your own path, whatever it is, but I know that you'll make a difference. I was so impressed to hear you take the oath to protect your patients and to treat them as best you can. Virginia Woolf is my favourite novelist, and I think she gave the best life advice. No need to hurry, no need to sparkle, no need to be anyone but oneself. For Cardiff has given you more than just a degree, as Agnes said. You've been encouraged to ask questions and challenge conventional wisdom. In this era of artificial intelligence, you have something better. You have real intelligence, critical thinking, which will stand you in good stead as you treat your patients. Use AI to treat them, and don't let AI think for you. Use your intelligence. See, that's ChatGPT has taken over my script. The Welsh word hiraeth is made for moments like this. It conveys a sense of place, of love, of longing, and of memories. We hope you will keep hiraeth in your hearts for Cardiff University, where you develop that special sense of cynefin, meaning a place of belonging. As part of the Cardiff University alumni community, we want you to come back here often. Tell us how you're doing, the highs and the lows. Don't become strangers. Today and tomorrow, more than 1,000 Cardiff alumni will be here for our first ever big reunion weekend. So here and now, I want to invite all of you, the class of 2026, to come back here next year for our next big reunion weekend. And please, volunteer as class of 2026 ambassadors. Help organise next year's reunion and the 50th anniversary of your graduation in 2076. I won't be there, but have a great time. Before we close the ceremony, there's one last Cardiff University tradition we need to uphold. While today is all about your achievement, you'd be the first to acknowledge that you didn't do it by yourself. Your academic staff, your friends, your family all helped get you over the line. So please, can I ask all the new graduates to stand on your feet? Please turn and face your friends and your family wherever they may be in the stadium. Are you ready? Everyone made a lot of noise for you. And now on the count of 3, please thank them. Fantastic. Please be seated. Longyfarchiadau i chri, Raddodigion Caerdydd. Congratulations to you, Cardiff's newest graduates. To close our celebrations, here's a film welcoming you to the Cardiff University alumni community. At the end of the film, please stand as the platform party leaves. So, one last time to the Bendigedig, the fantastic class of 2026. Congratulations. Longyfarchiadau.
Take a look around you. Be welwch chi. What do you see? Today we take stock of everything we've achieved and say thank you to those who always believed. So scroll through memories, cymryd selfies gyda'r besties, and stand up straight for the photographer. Say cheese. Today we remember how we got this far. The late nights and bright lights, and moments we didn't do as well as we might. Pob dyddiad cau, dyfal barhau, o weithio'n galed i'r dathliadau. Today we're rewarded for all the hard work that started way back with the first steps we took. dropped at Talabont, Nghennydd, Aberdare or Aberconwy I ganol y freshers, heb wybod lle I fynd, heb nabod bob un, nes canfod ffrindiau oes yn neidiau hoff cytun. First dates.
Soulmates.
I'm gonna start crying at this rate. Today we're part of something that's hard to describe, the new class of an old tribe. A tradition that'll be there our whole lives, a network that continues to help us thrive. Years from now, we'll see someone with a badge on their tie or hear people on a bus shouting,
Cheers, drive.
and we'll remember where we came from, where we came into our own, where we made our mark, Canfod Cartref, where we found a home. Today we make noise like it's the varsity game and count ourselves lucky we found people with the same interests, hobbies, byd o'r hiwmor nes bod ni'n ffoli, people who tried to shelter us with broken brollies, people who helped us find our limits and push them out the way, people who helped us get to this point.
On this day,
Today is a day we mark everything we've shared, a day we tell people just how much we cared, that they were always there, even when they couldn't be. Roeddwn ni'n gwybod y deiau eto hael ar fryn for all the long hours we've had to put in. We still had those nights that went right through till dawn, and days we dug deeper than ever before. So here's to those late night revisers and early risers, to sunny days that passed by in Butte Park, to that special someone who gave us that special spark and helped us to grow, to transform, to dream. Today's for that someone we're proud to have at 18. What happens tomorrow is whatever you choose. Go make news or break news, but absolutely refuse to be told that can't be done, because we've only just begun to make records and break records and make history and break history and say,
this is the world I want to see.
10,
20,
30,
40.
years from now, you'll look back on today and realise you've been by your side the whole way. But right now, right here, let's savour the moment and say, Llongyfarchiadau, congratulations. Let's get the celebrations underway. Take a moment, look around you. Be welwch chi? What do you see? We're Cardiff University. Croeso, welcome to your alumni community.